In this video, let's discuss about what is fact table and what is dimension table. In data warehousing concepts, there are three types of tables. One is dimension table, another one is fact table, and the last one is factless fact table. Okay, first let's see what is fact table. The fact table is nothing but the one which holds the metric information of the business process. For example, if you see this particular data warehouse data source view, this is the fact table. The fact internet sales here acts as a fact table because it holds the fact information of the business, like tax amount, sales amount, and the freight amount. Okay, and when you come back to the dimension table is the one which holds the descriptive information about the facts that are available in the fact table. For example, for this fact table, the descriptive information is not available anywhere in this table. Descriptive information like when the item was sold and who bought the product and what is the product name and so on. The product name information is available in the dim product table in the form of strings, product name and color, and the customer details is available in the customer table, and the date, month, year, quarter, and so on. The remaining the descriptive information related to the date is available in the dim date table, and the sales territory where this particular sales has been happened is available in the sales territory, like sales territory country, sales territory group, and image region, and so on. And then and also the currency, in which currency this was bought and so on. This was bought and so on. So all the descriptive information will be available in the dimension tables, or in other words, if the descriptive information is available in any table, we use it as a dimension table. And if metric information is available in any table, we call it as a fact table, or we use it as a fact table in our data warehouse design. The second thing you have to keep in mind about this dimension, the fact tables, is all the dimension tables will have or all the dimension tables should have a primary key column. In other words, there should be a master table in your data warehouse. There should be a unique column or primary key column which identifies each and every row uniquely. So that is why all the master tables acts as a dimension tables. If you have a master table and you have a descriptive information in the particular table, then you can use it as a dimension table if your business requirements needs that particular information in your analysis service cubes. Similarly, when you have all the foreign key relationships or all the foreign key columns with metric information, then we will use it as a fact table. In this case, you can see all the foreign key columns are available in the fact internet sales table. Here you can see the foreign key columns like product key, which relates to the dim product table, and the order date, due date, and ship date key, which relates to the dim date dimension table, and customer key to the customer details, and sales territory key to the sales territory table, and currency key for the currency dim currency table. So this is how you can differentiate what is the dimension table and what is the fact table. In short, dimension table is the one which holds the descriptive information about the fact data that is available in the fact table, and fact table is nothing but the metrics or the table which holds the metrics or the fact information about the business process. Also remember one point, not always the dimension table or the tables with the descriptive information will act as a dimension table. I would like to show an example for this case. So for example, if you see the dim product, as per the definition, it has the descriptive information and it has the primary key, and it has a column which can identify each and every row in the table uniquely, that is product key, and everything here meets the requirements to use it as a dimension table. It will be used as a dimension table, but at the same time it also can be used as a fact table in few scenarios. And let me show you a scenario here. Here is my cube. I created a dimension with the dim product, and also I created a measure group with the dim product to get the count of the rows that are available in the dim product table. How I'm gonna use this, or why this particular scenario is used in the business analysis, business requirement, business analysis. So to show you that, let me go to the browser here. So there may be a question sometime arises like, how many products are there for the color black? So this is part of the analysis. For example, black color product sales are good, or black color products are selling good, then the senior management want to know how many products are there in the black color and how many products are there in the yellow color, green color, and so on. So for that particular case, you need to have a metric from the dim product table, that is count of the dim products. That is how many rows are there in the particular dim product. So if I drag and drop the color here, and let me take the dim product count from this one, then it will show you the information that may be required in few cases, not all the cases, where they can analyze, okay, black color products are 133 in count and the sales are huge for this, or the sales are pretty less. They can take some decision, they can analyze the business, and they can take some strategic decisions to improve the business. So this is just an example to show that the dimension table or the master table in the data warehouse concepts, or the one which has the master, primary key column, can also be used as fact table in few cases. So that is why not all the descriptive column, descriptive tables will be used only as a dimension table. In few cases, it can also be used as a fact tables. So this is about the dimension tables and the fact tables, and subscribe to the channel, and to view, I'm going to add more and more videos on SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS interview questions. Stay tuned.